Hi everyone and welcome back to another new video. Now today's video is a little bit of an unusual one for me because I actually filmed this all the way back in January. However, it never got edited, life got in the way, it never went online. So I'm having to do it again because of all things I was actually talking about New Year's resolutions. It was January after all. So each year I try to make a few New Year's resolutions and at least one of them has to be related to flying. Now, one of my New Year's resolutions for this year was that I wanted to get back into doing something that I used to love doing. Flying foamies. Now, I used to design them, cut them out, build them, paint them and take them with me wherever it was that I went. And I got quite well known for it and I used to have a blast with them. Not worrying as much as you do with all these if something goes wrong, if you do something stupid, or basically if you crash. So here we are, September 2019, remaking this video because I'm happy to say that that resolution is slowly coming along and I wanted to share it with you guys. So one of my favourites and one of the easier ones to build, because I didn't design it, don't have to cut it out, don't have to paint it, is the RC Factory Crack Laser, which I actually won back at the EXFC 2013. It flies absolutely great. It's 6mm EPP foam, so it holds up to absolutely anything that you throw at it. I actually modified the design a bit, made it have some bigger ailerons, but after years of flying it just became a bit soft and fluffy and just didn't quite fly as it should. So having a load of fun with all the big ones, it kind of get left in the back of the shed until now. So I decided to get in touch with the great guys at RC Factory and get a new one. A later design, the Crack Yak 55. Now, okay, sure, the original video was filmed in January, it's now September. Let's pretend that I haven't yet built the airplane and let's get it built. And here we have it, the finished plane, and it looks and flies amazing. Now, I didn't want to spend hours looking into what is the best motor and speed controller and servo combo for this. I actually went with the standard RC Factory setup. Their motor, their speed controller and their servos. Now, you never quite know how that's going to work out, however I'm really pleased with that. As you'll see in the video, there's plenty of power and the servos can actually move the plane brilliantly. So I didn't need to spend hours sourcing the internet trying to find better equipment. The ones that they provide for a really good price work perfectly well. Shout out to OptiPower who have provided the batteries for this. Now I'm running 430 milliamp 2S battery packs, and again the power on those with this plane and the prop, that even the prop comes with the kit, is just ideal. So enough of me talking, you're here to watch flying, let's go do exactly that.
Comprar un coche.
And there you go. As you can see, my New Year's resolution, back flying foamies. Having a blast, flying it in weird and wonderful locations. Let me know where it is that you would like to see me flying this thing, and I'll see what I can do, as there are going to be a load more videos of me with these things in the future. Just try and make sure it's somewhere that isn't going to get me arrested, alright? Other than that, as you can see, the plane flies absolutely brilliantly. It's both good for having fun in strange locations, in the garden, or just trying to get some extra finger time, practice when you can't get down to the field itself. Thanks to Opti, thanks to RT Factory, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm Martin Pickering, and I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Subscribing is free and just means that you'll get notified whenever I upload future videos. And with the number of events, adventures and ideas that are coming to the channel, you're not going to want to miss out. So hit that subscribe button, and again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.